Okay guys, we have both these Neiman Marcus cakes. I've got one that is the regular Neiman Marcus, and then I've got one that I turned into, my husband said call it Neiman Margaret. This is the Neiman Marcus, and this is the Neiman Market. This is the Neiman Marcus, and this is the Neiman Margaret. I don't know. I just thought it was funny. We're making a Neiman Marcus cake. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And believe it or not, I have actually done that. Okay, we have our bowl. We need 1 box of yellow cake mix, the 15.25 ounce. Any will do. Just going to pour it right in. We're going to put in 2 eggs. And a 1/2 cup of melted butter, but I forgot to melt my butter. Okay, so we need 1 stick or 1/2 cup of melted butter, and we're just going to put it right in our cake mix and eggs. Blend it up. Okay, it only takes like a minute. Now this mixture is going to be thick. It's going to be very thick. Just going to scrape our bowl, make sure everything is good and incorporated. I'm going to take a 9x13 casserole dish and we're going to spray it with a little bit of Baker's Joy, or you can grease your pan any way you normally do it. But I'm using Baker's Joy. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and just put this cake mix in. Like I said, it will be kind of thick. It's not a loose batter. It'll be very thick batter. And this cake takes no time at all. And we're just going to set that bowl to the side, and we're just going to spread this out. Kind of even it out in our pan or our dish. We want this where it will bake up evenly. So make sure it's just kind of even all in the pan. Okay. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to take the same bowl, I always do, and maybe it's the same ingredients. I just don't see messing up another bowl when everything's falling on the floor today. I don't see messing up another bowl to make the mixture. So we're going to put in 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature. Okay, now we're going to need another 2 eggs with our cream cheese. Quick, simple, and easy. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a little whisk. Okay, now we're going to put in 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. 2, 3.5 cups. Oh, and we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I know this recipe by heart. Simple. Done. Now we've got our cake batter. Now we're just going to take this filling and we're just going to put it right over the top. This is so great for church potluck, something you want to be really delicious, but you don't have a lot of time, this is what you make. Okay, we got it all in. My oven is ready. Did you hear that? I really did preheat it this time. Okay, so we are going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. That's it. I told my grandson that Grandma is making a Neiman Marcus cake. And he goes, Neiman Marcus? He said, is it chocolate? And I go, no, it's not chocolate. Well, they want a chocolate Neiman Marcus cake. Well, I don't know if Neiman Marcus makes a chocolate cake, but Grandma does. And I'm going to make a Neiman Marcus cake, but I'm going to use chocolate. We're going to use, make it the same way. We're just going to use a chocolate cake mix, and we're going to add some chocolate to our cream cheese. Let's get started again. Grandma's always got to give them babies what they want. Ooh, there's our other cake. It's fixing to come out of the oven before I even get to the next one. Look at that. Whoa, that's gorgeous. Okay, we're just gonna let this, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful cake. So we're gonna let this cool before we cut it. Chocolate, why not? We're gonna give it a try. So I guess we're gonna do an experiment with chocolate. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we just did. We are going to open us up some chocolate cake mix. I think I'm using just regular chocolate fudge super moist cake mix. Okay, we're going to put in 2 eggs. All right, so we have our 2 eggs, a box of chocolate fudge cake mix, and 1 stick of melted butter. And now we're just going to blend it up. Okay, just set that to the side. Okay, so I got my other sprayed pan. We're going to put the chocolate mix in just like we did the last one. And remember, it's going to be a thick consistency. Now, I've never made the chocolate one before. I've always made the vanilla. We're just going to spread it out, make sure it's good and even. But what grandchildren want, you know, grandchildren get. And my little granddaughter loves chocolate so much. I mean, loves it. And Grandma does too. Okay, this spread really good. It's easy to spread. All right. So we're going to set this aside. Now we're just going to use the same old bowl. I know it's chocolate. I know. But that's what we're going to do. Okay, so this is the last one, number 3. We needed 3 cups of powdered sugar. So now we're going to put in 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, just like we did with the other one. And this is my experiment, so we're going to see if it tastes good. I'm sure there are chocolate cakes like this, or I'm sure people have made it. I just never have, so we're learning something new today. Okay, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, all right, so we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa powder. Maybe 3. Let's do 3. and about a teaspoon, just a little half a tablespoon of instant coffee. A fourth of a tablespoon of instant coffee. Okay. Now we're going to do just like we did to the other. We're going to kind of stir it around. Make sure we get all that sugar and chocolate mixed in. That is really chocolatey. And I think 3 tablespoons is what I really and truly needed. Okay. Now, if you have made this before, this cake made with chocolate, let me know. Let me know. I don't even know if Neiman Marcus has a cake like this. I know they have the vanilla like we got in the oven, or we had in the oven, but I know they have the other one, but I thought, you know what? Why can't we make it chocolate? And they might have made it in different flavors. If you know if they did, let me know, because I don't know. I've made the Neiman Marcus cake, but not knowing it was the Neiman Marcus cake, okay? So, but I've never made anything but the vanilla. Wow. This looks good. I gotta try it. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna get this into a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes, just like we did the other one. Okay, our chocolate cake, our chocolate Neiman Marcus cake is ready to take out of the oven. Okay, here it is. It looks good. Oh my gosh. I think my grandkids are gonna love it. It smells really good. This one is cool, but we're gonna wait to cut it because I want to try both. Okay guys, we have both these Neiman Marcus cakes. I've got one that is the regular Neiman Marcus, and then I've got one that I turned into, my husband said call it Neiman Margaret. This is the Neiman Marcus, and this is the Neiman Market. This is the Neiman Marcus, and this is the Neiman Margaret. I don't know. I just thought it was funny. Okay, we're going to try the first one first. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Okay, now we're going to try the chocolate. That looks almost like a brownie. Wow. Okay, we got to give these a try. That's so good, guys. So good. Man, that's good. All right, let's try the chocolate. Oh my gosh. The chocolate is so chocolatey and moist and delicious. It's my favorite. My grandbabies are going to be in love. Because grandma's in love. Oh my goodness. I gotta quit. You guys have to make the Neiman Marcus cake and the Neiman Margaret cake. That's what I'm going to call it. I want to say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for being the best audience on YouTube. I'm just blown away. We hit over 70,000 subscribers. And I say we because it's me and you. Without you, I wouldn't have a channel. Without you watching, taking the time to comment, encouraging me. This is a me and you adventure. And I want to say thank you so much. Over 70,000. And maybe by today or tomorrow, I may hit 71. You guys are amazing. Make the cake. I hope you enjoy the videos. Comment, hit the like button, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, it's free. It does not cost anything to subscribe. But you guys, thank you. I just wish I could give you all a piece of cake. I just want to say thank you. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.